This lens right here is the Canon 50mm, and it's also called the Nifty 50, and it is my favorite lens I've ever shot with, and I'm gonna tell you why. What I love about this lens is that it really does everything. It does photography really well because it has such a low aperture. You can get that really shallow depth of field and really pop out your subject, and your photos look great, especially portraits and even landscape shots. You can get some really cool stuff of some mountains and trees and stuff that you wanted to be a little more zoomed in. Same thing for video. You can get those nice close-up shots and those detail shots of whatever you're shooting, but you could also get the wide shots of the surrounding area, but not too wide, not like a 16mm. Best part about this lens is that it's super cheap. It's only just over $100. It's probably around 100, and that's new. If you wanted to use it, you could probably get it way under 100. So it's super good if you're a beginner and you just want a second lens to throw on your camera instead of your zoom lens. And this will definitely get the job done. It will give you some more variety in your shots, in both your video and your photos. So it's a really great lens, and I'd say if you're gonna buy a camera and it comes with a kit lens, for those who don't know, a kit lens is the zoom lens that comes with the camera, and it usually will set you back a few hundred on top of the camera. But anyways, this is the lens I would buy if you're just starting out. Like, I would buy this almost right away if you're looking for a second lens, especially if you're into portrait photography and B-roll. If you just love getting really crispy video that looks super sharp, this is so sharp. It looks so much better than my zoom lens. It's amazing. And there's only really two things that I don't really like, and I would consider a negative, is that one, you have to use an adapter, which I have over there, and it really just makes the lens a little bit bigger. It's not really that big of a deal, but it does make your lens a little bigger, and it kind of sucks because I love how small this lens is. It is smaller than most lenses. I think this is one of the smallest lenses on the market, for Canon at least. So if you don't believe me about how nice this lens looks, here's some footage, starting right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found this useful in some way, even if you don't have a camera. Maybe you enjoyed the footage. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.